You're using AI wrong. Most people ask AI to write their copy. Big mistake. Top copywriters? They use AI to think with them. Today, I'm showing you the real way to use AI for copywriting. The prompts that actually convert, the workflow pros swear by, and the mistakes that make your copy sound like a robot wrote it. Here's what you need to know. AI is incredible at research, expanding ideas, improving clarity, and generating angles in seconds. But there's one thing AI absolutely sucks at: thinking for you. That's why elite copywriters follow a dead simple three-step system. Step 1. Context. This is where everyone fails. Most people type, "Write sales copy for my product," and wonder why it sounds terrible. Instead, you give AI a briefing: who it's speaking as, who it's speaking to, what the product actually does, what emotion you're triggering, what action you want them to take. Context is the difference between garbage and gold. Step 2. Treat AI like your assistant, not your replacement. And gold. Step 2. Treat AI like your assistant, not your replacement. Ask it for hooks. Ask it to punch up headlines. Ask it to turn boring features into emotional benefits. Ask it to handle objections. This is where AI becomes unstoppable. It gives you raw material at lightning speed. Step 3, and this is non-negotiable: the human pass. You add real stories. You strip out the fluff. You inject your voice. You delete anything that sounds like everyone else. AI gives you words. You create persuasion. Now, here are 4 high-converting prompts you can steal right now. Give me 10 scroll-stopping hooks using curiosity and pain. Turn these features into emotional benefits for complete beginners. List the top 5 objections someone might have, and write rebuttals that feel honest, not salesy. Rewrite this CTA to feel urgent without being pushy. Let's talk about what kills AI copy. Don't copy-paste the output. Don't use lazy, vague prompts. Don't let AI make strategic decisions. And never, ever forget emotion. People don't buy logic. They buy feelings, then justify with logic later. The tool doesn't matter. The prompt does. AI won't replace copywriters. But copywriters using AI will replace copywriters who don't. Want day 22? Stay locked in. We're building a skill that prints money for life.